Hey guys, I'm at Price Chopper in Syracuse, New York. It's been a while since I've been here, but last video I did here, I went through pretty much every single aisle, showing you every product that's vegan here. But today, I'm gonna find out what new items they might be carrying that I don't know about. Let's go on in, see what we find. Here we are. I got my main man, Craig, Noe Craig, behind the camera, and it reminded me to say his name when I saw the hummus.
You named me the hummus connoisseur.
Okay, over here. I'm smelling some tofu. I got the tofu Raider on. Okay, here we go. This is new. Good Planet. Okay. I've talked about these guys. We showed them at the expo. Good Planet is here at Price Chopper. And we have all of their, these are singles. This is really, really good cheese, by the way.
I have had their cheese. It is very good. I can confirm.
Yes. And we have the garlic herb, which is also singles. The smoked prove. Singles. You know, some of them are blocked, so American. And we have the cheddar. So that's really cool to see all these here. Yep. And then the Go Veggie has always had this Parmesan. Oh, this is the other thing that's new here is Hodo Soy. Oh, we tried that at the expo too.
It was really good.
Super good Hodo Soy. This 5-spice tofu. These are the guys that make the tofu for sofritas at Chipotle.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Oh, you didn't know that?
No, I didn't know that.
Curry nuggets. Oh, the nuggets. We tried those too, right? Those are good.
Yeah.
Yeah. And then they have the barbecue tofu cubes, the harissa. Not Marissa. Harissa. And then the Moroccan. So, what are the price point here? It's $5.79. That's kind of a lot for tofu.
But it's already spiced and seasoned for you.
It is, and it's the texture. It's the best tofu I've ever had. So maybe you don't want to buy it all the time because it's expensive, but maybe you want to check it out. So boom, Price Chopper. We got all the Lightlife products, and then over here we have the chow, which this is not new here, but they do have the chow, which is just as good.
Have you had the Field Burger? That's something I haven't tried.
Yeah, I've had this. This isn't new. This is pretty old.
I've never tried that though.
The Field Burger, yeah. And then of course they have their sausages, the field roast sausages, super good. And these are not the new ones that they had at the expo. They also have hot dogs there. Super, super good hot dogs. One of the best vegan hot dogs I've had. And then we got tofu. So let's find out what else is new here.
Is this vegan water, Chris?
Probably vegan water, but not eco-friendly. Okay, it's around Easter time, so if I posted this video after Easter, that's just because I didn't get around to it, and it's super cold out, that's why I'm dressed like this. Yeah. You know, sometimes I have a habit to film a video, and then actually when I get to editing it, it's like super warm in the summertime when I filmed it in the winter. Diet foods? What is a diet food? Oh, we got our flax.
Ooh, okay.
Oh, and they have this here. Boom, this is another really good product that we found at the expo. This is $4.49 organic chickpea breadcrumbs. It's gluten-free. And then they got the semi-sweet. We got all your chocolate chips and stuff like that. Vegan, dark morsels. That's pretty much it in this aisle that I would say is new. Well, we have these too. Enjoy Life also has the Snickerdoodle and chocolate chip. Just be careful because they do have a few products that are not vegan, but not too many. Most of their products are vegan. Let's see if this says it. I know these are, but yep, there's the vegan right here. And same with this one. And believe me, they are both really good. I try to stay away from them so I'm not eating cookies all day, but you know how it goes. All right, so I've never seen these before, but these are vegan. These are these mochi rice bites. Also, we have these Rhythm Cal chips. And it looks like they're on sale for $2.75. That's a pretty good deal for these. These are actually really good. Cool Ranch. V right there. You can't make kale not vegan. That's just illegal. Yeah. It's like making tofu not vegan.
Oh yeah, and you've seen it done.
I've seen it done. These eyes have seen it. Oh, here's another thing that's accidentally not vegan that you would think would be vegan. Okay.
Natural flavors, gelatin. Yeah.
Yeah,
you're right. Gelatin's on here.
So you would think peanuts would be. That's why I said that, and I think you were kind of like. When we were at your candy shop,
yeah,
I was saying peanuts, make sure your peanuts are vegan because Planters likes to put gelatin, which they're not even vegetarian. We have your almond milk. There's a lot more milk here that's vegan, but just in this aisle, we got the Almond Breeze, the rice, which is one of my absolute favorites for the entire time I've been vegan. Silks, the Tempt. You got your milks here, is what I'm trying to say.
Chris, what are you doing in this aisle?
It's for a friend.
Yeah, are you sure?
It's for a friend, dude. I swear to God, I was just, I was seeing how heavy they were.
Wait, which one is it?
Leave me alone.
Which one is it?
Man.
Have you seen how much it weighs?
All right, so we have a couple things over here. Of course, the first thing you see is the Daiya, because it stands out from everything else. So Daiya is all vegan, and it's on sale for a lot of money. But there's also a $3.99 one right there. But down here, we have Vana Foods, which they have these 3 flavors, and they're really good. They're all vegan. The owner's been vegan all of his life. We've got videos of that. And then we have Kali rice. Haven't had this before. I'm thinking it's vegan. Let me just make sure. Yep, 100% cauliflower. Let me just show you these real quick. So this is a chickpea Super Bowl and superfood bowl. You can just heat this up right from the packet. You could actually just eat it from the packet cold if you want to go camping with it, but it's a lot better heated up.
If I remember correctly from the expo, they said you could actually boil that package while you're camping, because some people will do that. So you don't even need a microwave.
Yes, you could do that too. We have Amy's down here. Most of their stuff is vegan, and I think everything right here is vegan. Yes, the spicy, the chili. Chili's really good. The chili with vegetables is really good. It is pretty pricey though. I would recommend making your own chili, but if you're in a bind and you just want a quick chili, bam, right there, it's really good.
Or chili cheese dip.
Chili cheese dip. Okay, moving over, it looks like we have the ramen. Now, this is the only ramen. Well, there is one other flavor and I don't see it. Top Ramen, the soy sauce Oriental flavor, is the one that is vegan. And it's also used in sustainable palm oil, if you guys are wondering. But this is it's very cheap. It's actually it's a lot cheaper at Wegmans. But anyway, it's like twice the price over here. Yeah. But still, if you guys are looking for a ramen noodle, this is the vegan one. They also have a sweet chili lime one that's also vegan. It's the Marischwan one that looks like the same pack that's not vegan.
Yeah, and ramen noodles are great if you're on a health kick.
Yeah. If you're a college kid on a health kick. Even if you're just like a triathlete, you know.
YouTube video with this?
Yeah. Okay, so here's some more of those Amy soups. These are all vegan right here. Be careful because they have a couple that aren't vegan, but all these ones we're showing, vegan. And don't forget their split pea. The split pea is actually really good. I hated peas until I tried this. Very good. So yeah, Amy's, again, a little bit pricey. Probably make your own, a lot cheaper. But delicious if money's not a problem. And then of course we have our liquid aminos, coconut aminos. Both of these are great alternatives when you're cooking and stuff like that. Oh, there's the Just. So a lot of people are looking for the Just products because they're hard to find right now because of keeping up with quantity and demand. We found some. This is the Caesar, and it's here at Price Chopper. Daiya has all of their, but I'm pretty sure we covered this in my other video, so this is just kind of a review. But also another alternative, this is an example of those big non-vegan companies making vegan products. And that's a good thing. Okay, right down here. Okay, here it is. This is what I'm talking about. Companies that are not vegan making vegan products. Perfect example. I have tried this, and it's really good. And it's about $4.29 here, but there you go. Vegan Hellmann's. Trick your relatives. Put this in the refrigerator, take out their other one, switch with this.
I'll never know.
Just garlic mayo.
Oh, I've never even heard of that before.
I've never heard of that one either.
Huh.
I've never had it.
Yeah.
Sugar, certified. So this would be their brand here, this Full Circle. Certified vegan, no bone char in the sugar. And we also have Florida crystals. I did a whole section on the sugar in my other video if you want to check that out. We have some of my friends over at Dandy's. They got in here, and there they are. We got the big ones and the little ones.
Egg replacer.
There it is. It's hard to find some of this stuff nowadays.
Yeah.
Do they also have the wheat gluten? Vital wheat gluten.
Oh yeah, right here.
There you go.
Oh, that's actually really hard to find nowadays.
It is.
Because everyone's gluten free.
It was so cheap before now, and now look at it. It's $8 just for this. If you want to make seitan, everybody's gluten free. Nobody wants this.
Yeah. The other I saw garbanzo bean flour too, which is great for eggs.
It is.
Eggs.
It's also good for making a lot of items. This is Edward and Son.
Nooch.
This is a staple. Nutritional yeast. These are really good. As you can see, they're veg. It looks like, see, full circle. The package is screaming vegan, but let's find out. The first read of the ingredients makes it look vegan to me. Here's the ingredient list, and these are crispy cinnamon crunch. When I'm not sure of something, I just call the company and I say, hey, what are the natural flavors? Or, hey, is your sugar processed through blah, you know, all that stuff. Oh, and then of course we got Barbara's Puffins.
I love those things.
Bam, vegan. Also original. Bam.
Alright, we're probably gonna have to blur this out. Because it's a naked bear.
Oh, yeah.
Sorry.
Get out of there, naked. Here's a great alternative to Oreos. These are super good and addicting. Vegan. Back to nature.
What about Newman's Oats?
Yeah, Newman's Oats are vegan too. I have an email from them saying that their cookies are vegan too. If it's organic sugar, it's vegan sugar. Alright, so we have Dave's Killer Bread. There's only one of these that's not vegan, and I don't remember. It's the one with the oat something. But Dave's Killer Bread is super good, healthy, and vegan. So it's such a good thing all these companies are making vegan items now. And we've already gone over Ben & Jerry's, but let's see what they have that's new. These are other non-dairy ones. We got the peanut butter half-baked, coffee caramel fudge, the peanut butter and cookies, the fudge brownie. Oh, the 7-layer, coconut 7-layer. I haven't had that one yet. The Cherry Garcia. Don't think I've had that one either. The almond brittle. This is the new one that we tried at the expo.
I can confirm, very good.
Very good. And then the cinnamon buns. I have not had that one either. There's also, where's the cookie dough one that we had at the expo? But then of course we got So Delicious, which used to be called Soy Delicious for those of you that are old school vegans. You remember that, but all of their products are vegan. So you don't even have to look at the, just boom, vegan. And they have the cashew milk ones, snickerdoodle, and dark chocolate truffle. They have a lot of flavors, but that's all I see right here. That was probably really loud, by the way. Personally, I like the regular soy milk ones from So Delicious, the original ones, the best. I also like the cashew ones. I don't really like the coconut. All right, the Peanut Butter Co. This stuff is delicious. And most of their stuff is, I think they have all but one that's vegan. White chocolate. Have you guys had this? This is delicious.
Oh,
it says vegan on it right there. It's so good.
There are a lot of things you're pointing out I have never even heard of before.
You gotta watch my videos, Craig. Dark chocolatey. We got some Justin's. Really, really expensive, but the peanut butter is pretty, about $5. Maple cashew butter. It's only 13 bucks for this, but
It's only.
yeah. And then this too. This is another vegan one right here. I haven't tried that, but I featured this, and I think so. You can buy just like organic almond butter. That's why I usually stick to like organic peanut butter because it's the cheapest one.
Oh yeah, by far. There's sun butter too for anyone who has any nut allergies.
And then we have Earth Balance creamy. This has been around for a while, but I haven't seen it in too many places. Ezekiel bread. Okay, we have vegan pizza down here. No cheese. This used to be my go-to pizza.
Yeah.
By Amy's, yeah. Oh, and this is a vegan. This is a rice crust, so that's gluten-free. And it is vegan. You got the little V there. I haven't had this one, and I'm pretty hungry, so I might start a fire in the middle and cook it. Morningstar Buffalo Chick Patties. These are new. They are vegan. Morningstar is shifting to make all of their products vegan again. So by 2021, it's going to be a little bit, but we're going to do it. We have the original ones right here. We're competing with the music, so hopefully. And then this one, boom, vegan at the top for, so you know, barbecue chicken nuggets. I did have these, and they are delicious. They also have buffalo wings, a little bit spicier, delicious as well. And then if you saw our expo video that I did with Craig, you'll see that we got some of these too. So, and then of course you got Gardein. All of Gardein products are vegan. All right, here's another one we found. This is new. It's vegan by, I can't believe it's not butter. Remember when Fabio used to be the spokesperson for this? Your Earth Balance, which is always vegan. Earth Balance is vegan, sustainable palm oil. Do you know how hard it was when I was younger trying to find a vegan butter? There was one though. There was, yeah. So it doesn't look like they have too much of a variety for vegan yogurts compared to some of the other stores, but we do have some So Delicious, some Silk right here, and then up here we have the vegan Ready Whip. So this is a vegan whipped cream. They have an almond milk base, and they also have a coconut milk base. Not here, they only have the almond. Creamer, if you guys are coffee drinkers, they have So Delicious organic creamer. Let me show you guys. They also have Silk. They have So Delicious. My friend Joel likes the Califia. I've never had it because I don't drink coffee, but they have a coconut cream, almond milk. They have 2 unsweetened and original. He says this is his favorite. We have 2 whole refrigerators full of all vegan milks. We've got your Almond Breeze, coconut, you got your Silk, the store brand almond milk. What I don't see that's very important and that I don't see here is your oat milk, your Oatly. I don't see it. This is where it stops, is the Califia and the Silk. Oh, no, we got good karma down here. And we do have oat beverage. Oh, and look at this. We saw these guys at the expo. This is Planet Oat Milk. Wasn't my favorite, but it is there. And then I haven't had the Quaker one. That's another oat milk.
Chris, do you think these Zooks are vegan?
You know, I don't know. Look at them. They look like they're aging pretty. I don't know. They probably were eating meat a lot of their life, and that's why they're dying so fast. I love mangoes. This one looks a little odd, though.
It's a really weird looking banana.
So there we have it. Price Chopper. They do have some pretty rare things that I can't find at any of my other stores around here, particularly the Hodo soy, which I ended up buying, and also the Good Planet cheeses. They don't have that anywhere else, so that's pretty cool. You can definitely get by as a vegan here at Price Chopper. Also, I got the Field Burger by Field Roast because Craig's never had this before, so we're gonna do a little taste test. Don't forget to subscribe, survive, watch out for zombies, and I'll see you guys next time. Oh, and by the way, they're open for 24 hours in case you didn't know.